In the fluffy green meadows of Hopalot Kingdom, there lived a knight named Sir Sneezalot. He wasn't brave because of courage. He was brave because he had the world's worst allergies. Flowers, sneeze. Dust, sneeze. Dragons, mega sneeze. One fateful morning, a gigantic rabbit appeared on the horizon. Not a cute bunny, a towering, fluffy monster rabbit named Bunzilla, who hopped so hard the ground shook like jelly. Villagers panicked. It's eating all the carrots, and probably us next. The king summoned Sir Sneezalot. "Slay the beast, brave knight!" Sir Sneezalot sniffled. "Sire, it's literally just a really big rabbit, and I'm allergic to everything fluffy." But duty called. He put on his armor, which was mostly tissues duct-taped together, grabbed his sword, which was actually a giant feather duster because swords made him sneeze, and marched out. Bunzilla loomed over him, twitching its nose. Sir Sneezalot raised his duster bravely, and a single dandelion seed floated by. Achoo! The sneeze was legendary. It launched Sir Sneezalot backward like a rocket, straight into Bunzilla's fluffy chest fur. The impact? A massive puff of white dandelion fluff exploded everywhere. The entire battlefield looked like a snow globe had thrown up. Bunzilla froze. Then its eyes watered. Its giant nose twitched. "Oh no!" it whispered in a surprisingly squeaky voice. "Achoo!" Bunzilla sneezed back. The sneeze was so powerful, it blew every carrot in the kingdom into the air like orange fireworks. Villagers ducked as veggies rained down. Sir Sneezalot, still stuck in the fur, sneezed again, and again, and again. It became a sneeze battle for the ages. Back and forth, gusts of wind, flying pollen, carrots orbiting like confused satellites. The knights cheered like it was a sport. "Go, Sneezalot! Sneeze harder!" Finally, after the biggest double sneeze in history, it created a temporary rainbow. Both Sneezer and Sneezy collapsed in a fluffy, exhausted heap. Bunzilla looked at Sir Sneezalot. "That was the best itch I've had in centuries. My nose has never been clearer." Sir Sneezalot wiped his eyes. "You're welcome. Wait, you're not evil?" "Nah," Bunzilla said, blushing under the fur. "I just really love carrots, and I get lonely up on that hill." From that day on, Bunzilla became the kingdom's official carrot delivery service. Giant hops equal fast delivery. Sir Sneezalot became the royal allergy ambassador. Every spring, they hosted the Great Sneeze Festival, where everyone ate spicy food on purpose and sneezed in harmony. And the kingdom lived happily, sniffily ever after. The end.